Hello and welcome to Car Bike 360, where we answer your car buying queries. And today we've got a very interesting question. You can check out our website. You can go over there and ask your questions, and you can also ask your questions below in the comments box. Today we've got a question from Mr. Rahul Thakur, who's asking us which top 5 cars can you name which are very good value for money, and he's given us a budget of about 8 lakh rupees to about 15 lakh rupees. So in this budget, let me just tell you about the top 5 cars which are very good value for money. Number 1 is of course a car which has been around for almost 10 years now, the Maruti Suzuki Ignis. Yes, the Ignis is a car which isn't loved by a lot of people, but it offers you a very good platform. It's a very safe and sturdy platform. It's also a car which is undercutting a lot of rivals in terms of pricing. A lot of people think it's a SUV, compact SUV, but reality is that it's a hatchback. It's a raised up hatchback, muscular hatchback, and the pricing, which starts from about 6 lakh rupees, 6.5 lakh rupees, depending on where you stay, is really very good, because for that price you get the 1.2 4-cylinder engine. Yes, it's still the 4-cylinder engine, not the Swift's 3-cylinder unit. Very good in terms of refinement, very good in terms of drivability, and of course if you want the automatic, the AMT, that is also quite good in terms of the overall fuel efficiency and gives you completely hassle-free driving experience. So the Ignis is a car which you should check out from Nexa. Number 1 in my list in terms of the value for money cars, and of course Nexa dealers are still giving you some discounts on the car, which makes it even better value for money. Now the second car on this list, which a lot of people ignore these days, is the Renault Kiger. Yes, the Kiger also is terrific value for money. Again, it starts from about 6.5 lakh rupees, but that car doesn't really get too many features. But if you buy the mid-spec version or even the top-line version, it costs you about 9.5 10 lakh rupees, and it comes loaded. You get different driving modes which actually do work. You also get a CVT gearbox in the automatic. You also get a digital display, and of course automatic climate control, among a host of other things. The build quality is quite good, and the interiors also on this car are genuinely quite good. Very spacious interiors, very big boot, and ride quality is again very good. So the Kiger, lots of discounts happening on that car. Check it out at a Renault dealership. Number 3 again is a Maruti car. It's the Maruti Suzuki. The Ciaz is still available at dealerships. Of course, you can get a discount of up to 1 lakh rupees on the car. The base version of the car starts from about 10 lakh rupees, but it's a car which offers you very good room. It offers you that 1.5 petrol, and of course it's a very refined engine. And you can also choose an automatic, the 4-speed torque converter gearbox, which makes it very good in terms of driving in the city. It's a very hassle-free car to drive in the city, so that's also another product that you can go for. And even though it looks a little outdated now, and it's not been really given a major facelift in the last 10-11 years since it was launched, it still is quite a good and very well-rounded package. So if you don't really want any fancy features, you don't really want too many gadgets and gizmos in your car, but you want a value for money car which offers you very good backseat experience, a big boot, and nice ride quality, then the Ciaz still holds its value quite well. So that's another car you should check out. Well, the number 4 car on this list is the Renault Triber. Now it's a 7-seater car. It offers you the 7 seats, which means that if you travel with your entire family, you really enjoy the overall experience. It's not very expensive. Yes, the only downside is that the engine is a little sluggish. It's not a very powerful engine, and of course if you choose the AMT, then it feels very lurchy and doesn't really respond very fast to throttle inputs. But that said, the build quality again is quite decent. There's plenty of space all across. You also get AC vents all across, even the second row, and the throw of air is generally good, and the ride comfort is truly exemplary. So if you want a car on a budget, if you want a car which offers you the option of 7 seats, then the Triber is a good option. Again, a lot of people are not buying this car because it looks a little outdated as well, but as I said, if you want value, if you seek value, then this is a great choice for you. And the 5th and final car on this list is the Citron C3. Yes, the Citron C3 is a fantastic driver's car. The turbo version of the car is fantastic to drive. It's not very expensive. Some call it a pseudo SUV, some call it a compact SUV, but it's truly a hatchback again, which has been raised up just like the Ignis, but it's a fantastic car to drive. The interiors are functional, but again come with very minimalistic features, and the ride quality again of the Citroën is generally very good. So that's another car you should check out at a Citroën dealership. Citroën dealerships are very few across the country, but they do offer you very well engineered cars, very well engineered products, and definitely the Citroën C3 also is a car you should check out at a dealership near you. So this was my list of the top 5 cars. It's not an exhaustive list. We'll have more cars and more lists for you. If you have come to this channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to it. If you did enjoy watching the video, then of course do give us a like. Also leave a comment and let me know what other cars you're looking at and what other cars you think should be on the list of most value for money cars in India for 2025. Bye for now and thanks for watching.